This easy scrapbuster can make you some side cash, or it can be a really good gift for people, or just something to play around with your creativity one day. You just need 3 4x4 squares. And the reason why this is a great not only scrapbuster, but way to let your creativity flow is those 3 pieces of fabric can be the same exact fabric or just a montage of little pieces of scraps. As you can see, that's what I did. This was basically my playground. I just took a bunch of scraps and kept cutting them down, sewing them together, cutting them down, sewing them together. I was basically creating my own jigsaw puzzle. And the thing is, it really doesn't matter how it's all sewn together as long as at the end of it, you have a 4-inch square. So once I had enough to actually cut down 4 inches, I would make my square. I personally chose to do this method for 2 of the squares and let my favorite cheetah fabric be the 3rd square. But you can do whatever you want. There's literally no rules in this project, and that's why it's one of my favorites now. And if you do decide to do this to make money or to give this as a gift to somebody, each one can be your 100% original creation. Now that you've got your 3 blocks made, we just need to cut out 3 4-inch squares of fusible interfacing. Iron these onto the wrong side of the fabric. Then pick one of your fabrics and fold it into a triangle from corner to corner. Place it right side down on a different fabric of your choice. Take your 3rd choice of fabric and place it right sides together on top of those 2. We're gonna now sew all around the edges, but make sure to leave an opening. I marked 2 lines 1 inch from the outside so that I knew where to start and stop. Turn your beautiful, unique creation out. Make sure to poke the corners out, and then we just need to make sure that we close up that opening. Fold the opening in so that it looks seamless, and place a top stitch along those 2 sides that I'm showing you. Okay, now I really want to see yours if you do it. There are so many possibilities to be made with this, I want to see all of them. I'd love if you stitch this with me, or even just tag me when you're done. I want to see. Till next time, happy sewing.